Do mosquitoes and bugs love you too? Well, if you love camping and gardening and long summer nights on the patio, but citronella candles and sprays don't seem to work for you, here's what you need to know about using outdoor candles and natural bug sprays. Mosquitoes love sweet, salty, sweaty skin, so balancing out your skin pH is the very first step in enjoying summer nights without the bugs. See, most people burn citronella candles and apply essential oils to just a few pressure points, making the rest of the body vulnerable to bites and stings. Using a light organic fractionated coconut oil and CBD can help balance skin pH and repel bugs, because both work to neutralize toxins and sweep up bacteria on the skin and mask odors that attract bugs and mosquitoes. There's a ton of bug sprays and body oils that just have tons of toxins absorbing into your skin, so it's super important to use organic ingredients whenever possible. For this recipe, we use 4 ounces of organic fractionated coconut oil with 100 milligrams of CBD. Then add 24 drops of citronella oil, 9 drops of lavender, and 3 drops of geranium essential oil. The pure lavender smells amazing and helps soothe any heat rash, scrapes, or burns. Plus, the pure geranium is an excellent bug repellent and skin conditioner. Apply the light body oil all over, especially into the head, neck, hair, feet, and ankles, and then finish the evening with a Himalayan CBD soak to deeply clean, cool, and refresh your skin. This recipe is also really good for long days at the beach and soothing sunburns. So if you spend a lot of time at the pool, the chlorine can be really drying and irritating to the skin. So keeping skin healthy and hydrated feels really amazing and can alleviate a lot of itchy skin rashes. So if you love sunny days and summer nights, you can find this recipe and all the ingredients to make it at simplejane.co. Have a great summer and see you soon.